Alright, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today we're going to be talking about the GoPro Hero Max. How good it is, how bad it is, my likes and dislikes. As you guys see, here we go, here we have it. GoPro Max. Has two lenses, front and back, has a screen, has a speaker, or mic, sorry. Has another one right here on the side, so it could capture every noise. So we're gonna do a test, see how good it is, the quality, stabilization, also some zoom out. I'll show you guys how that works, how you edit, from this camera, how you can see all the way around. So I'll show you guys all that. So yeah, don't drop it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, I like this camera, and like I said, there's some things I don't really like about it, but it's pretty cool though for what GoPro's doing. All right, guys, and I'll show you guys a video that I did, and yeah, enjoy it. So there you go, you guys got to see it, what it does. It's pretty easy to set up 360 mode. Like I said, it's real simple. Comes with good instructions. Once you turn it on, you have the app, it'll let you know everything. But yeah, those are some things. You saw how shaky it was. Once you zoom in and start shaking a bit, you can see it. Stabilization is not that great, but it's better than other GoPros. And yeah, so far, like I said, I still got a lot of work to do on it. So stick around, hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.